Okay, so I found the classroom invitation link and I'm about ready to accept this assignment. And now it's creating my repo for me. And there I have it. So I'm going to click on that link. And the first thing I notice is it looks a little bit different than previous repos, the starter code for previous repos. The most important thing for us right now is we have a new folder called Form. And if I click that folder open, I see 3 .css files and 2 .svg files. These other files down here, package lock, package.json, and sandbox.config.json are all files that you can ignore for now unless you decide to start working with the code sandbox. So at the moment, if you're not doing that, just allow those files to be there and they won't cause any problems. So that's it for the starter code for project 6. So let's go ahead and I have a little bit of a chicken and the egg problem with my instructions because these screencasts are going to be a part of the instructions. But I have the start of the instructions, and of course the first thing is to clone P6 and then copy P5 into P6. So let's go ahead and right click on this tab, duplicate that, and if you remember, the easiest way to find P5 is to do exactly that. Duplicate it, find number 6 right there, and change it to 5. So there we go. So this should be becoming more familiar with us all. So we're going to clone P6. Actually, I'm going to clone P5 first. I'm going to create a brand new folder, right? Brand new folder inside VS Code. I will make that P5 4, P6. Create that, open that, come up to terminal, new terminal, type git clone, paste that URL in, and then finish with a space dot. So there we go. We have P5 for P6. Now we're going to come up to File, close that folder, find Open Folder, make a new folder, P6, open that, come over here, make sure we've got P6 showing. Again, copy that URL, come to terminal, new terminal, type git clone, paste that in, space, dot, enter or return. Then use your file, let's see, use your File Explorer or your Finder. Open up P5 for P6. I'm holding the Shift key down, so that I highlight all of those files. Right-click, copy, then go into P6 and paste. Now we can actually P6, we're in P6 now. I can go to the Finder and move that to the trash. So we've done, let's see, we've done steps 1 through 3, finishing off by deleting that folder. Now we're going to edit. We can get rid of the terminal, find the README, edit that. It's going to be project 6, and we're adding contact form. Gonna save that. Now we come up to the Git logo or the icon and type a commit message, copy P5 to P6, check mark that, come over to ... and do a push. And go ahead and get rid of this tab here. Come to project 6, refresh, and there we go. I've got my new commit message, as well as my README is now changed. New laptop, didn't need that. You don't necessarily have to have that. I didn't notice that before, but that's fine. Okay, that's it for this video. I wanted to keep it short. When we come back, we'll start talking about actually making changes to our code to incorporate these new .css files that we have.